Hello, let us learn how to solve cubic equations in this video. So here I have written one cubic expression, how to solve it. So we will start from this constant term negative 2. Negative 2, so we have to write the factors of negative 2. Factors of negative 2 are what? Plus minus 1 and plus minus 2. So what I have to do is I will write this function as say some fx is equal to this. So if I put here f1, okay, like x equal to 1, if I put, what value do I get? 1 cubed is 1 plus 2 times 1 squared is 2 minus 7 times 1 is 7 minus 2. So this is not giving me equal to 0. This is not equal to 0. Let us try f2. If I put f2, then what I would get? 2 cubed is 8 plus 2 times 4 is again 8 minus 2 times 7 is 14 minus 2. Yeah, this is giving me 16 minus 16, which is equal to 0. What does it mean? That x minus 2 is this x minus 2 is a factor of my fx function. Now I have to find out the other factor by dividing. I can divide by long division method, or I can use the synthetic division method. I would prefer synthetic division, that is very easy, very fast method. So as I have explained you in previous video also. Now since x minus 2 is equal to 0, so my 2 would be written here, right? And the coefficient of x cubed will be 1. Coefficient of 2x square, x square is 2. Coefficient of x is negative 7 and this constant term is negative 2. Now just make a line here, very easy. So 1 would be taken down. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. Minus 7 plus 8 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. So negative 2 plus 2 comes 0. This is my remainder. So when I divide, my quotient would be what? It would be x squared plus 4x plus 1. Now we will have to further divide this. We can further divide this x square plus 4x plus 1 see 1, so we can't do that way. So we have to use the formula that x is equal to negative b plus minus b squared minus 4ac by 2a. So this formula we have to use. Remember, we have this quadratic equation in this form: ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So in this, x is calculated by this formula. So let us do it here. So x is equal to negative b. So b is 4. So negative 4 plus minus b squared. 4 squared is 16 minus 4 times a. A is here 1 and c is also 1. So 4 over 2 times a. A is 1. So this. So now I can say this is negative 4 plus minus 12 by 2. Now 12 can be negative 4. So it is plus minus. 12 can be written as 4 times 3. And square root of 4 is 2. So that 2 would be taken out over 2. I can take 2 common above. And then I can write negative 2 plus minus root 3 by 2, and this 2 would be cancelled out. So I have here x value as minus 2 plus minus root 3. So one value is what? 1 is x equals to 2. So our solution becomes what? X equals to 2. Then x equals to negative 2 plus root 3, or x is equal to negative 2 minus root 3. So these are the three solutions of our cubic polynomial. This one. Understood? Let us do one more. That would be good. So here I have written the polynomial 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 17x plus 12 equals 0 and plus 12. Okay. So factors of plus 12, yeah, of course, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 4, plus minus 6, then directly plus minus 12. Okay, can we try, let us write this as fx equals to, so if I try f1 here, what do I get? 2 times 1 plus 3 times 1 minus 17 times 1 and plus 12. So 3 to 5, 12, 17. Oh wow, we got here 0. So it means that x minus 1 is a factor. X minus 1 is a factor of our cubic polynomial, right? Factor of fx. So we can find out the other factor by simply dividing. I will be using synthetic division here. Let us write here 1, and this 2 coefficient, x square coefficient is 3, x coefficient is negative 7, and this 12. I can take down now this 2 as it is, and 1 times 2 is 2, 3 plus 2 is 5, 1 times 5 is 5, negative 17 plus 5 is negative 12, 1 times negative 12 is negative 12, 12 minus 12 is 0. So our quotient is what? It is 2x squared plus 5x minus 12. Okay, now we have to further factorize it. So 2 times negative 12 is negative 24 and plus 5x, so 8 times negative 3, and coefficient is 2 here, so we will have to divide by 2. So 4 minus 3 by 2. So our factors are what? X plus 4 and 2x minus 3. That's it. So our x values are what? One is this, x minus 1 equal to 0, so x equals 1. The other is x plus 4 equal to 0, so it is negative 4. And the next 2x minus 3 equal to 0, so that would give me x equals 3 by 2. So these are the three solutions, or we say roots, or we say zeros of the cubic expression, cubic polynomial, right? So zeros or roots, what does it mean? That if you plot this curve on graph, then at these points at 1, negative 4 and 3 by 2, in graph at 1, 3 by 2 means 1.5. So at this point, and at negative 4, so maybe negative 4 somewhere here. Okay, so at these 3 points our graph would be intersecting x-axis. This is the meaning of zeros. I hope you understood. Keep practicing, because practicing only makes the man perfect in maths, right my dear? So see you in next video. Bye bye.